Hello everyone, this is Ferris from Riverside Hyundai. Today we will be taking you on a spin with the new 2026 Palisade calligraphy. So let's take it for a ride. Alright, today we're taking you on a test drive on this brand new 2026 Hyundai Palisade calligraphy. This model comes with the V6 gas engine. It comes also with a hybrid engine, but it's not available as of now. We're gonna test drive this vehicle, tell you how it feels, and share our thoughts. It's my first time driving it as well, so we're gonna go through this together. First, let me turn on my ventilated seats and my massaging seats to make it more fun. What I can tell you from the beginning, it is very quiet. The isolation is very, very nice on this vehicle. I barely hear anything outside, and it feels very smooth. I can feel the transmission just very smooth changing through gears. The heads-up display is really nice as well. It shows me everything, my speed limit, the cars in front of me, even my blind spot is over there. Plus I have the blind spot over here with the blind spot view monitor. And of course on the mirrors. The screen is very responsive. The dual 12.3-inch panoramic view is also really nice. Let's change the drive mode into sport and test the power as well. Oh, I can immediately feel the difference. The engine is just very snappy now, wants to go. So let's go. Yeah, when you change it to sport, it definitely gives you more power, more torque, and it's just snappier, it jumps. Let's move it back to normal mode, see how it's gonna drive. Yeah, I can feel the way the steering wheel changed and how it shifts now when it went to normal. Let's go to Eco. So this mode is supposed to save as much gas as possible. Yeah, I can feel it. I can feel how it's smoother now. It's just not taking so much gas, not putting so much power, but at the same time it is very smooth. So for everyday driving, I believe economy will be the best option. But if you're in a hurry and you want to turn it into sport mode, you've got the power to do that. I can tell you also that the visibility on this car is extremely enhanced. I don't feel that anything is obstructing my visibility. Everything is right there in front of me, and it's really easy to view everything. And when you have your kids in the back, or you have a lot of stuff in the back, just turn on the rear view monitor and you have full visibility of whatever is happening in the back as well. This car comes equipped also with the highway driving assist. So whenever you're on the freeway and you turn on your cruise control, the car will take over and will change lanes when you turn your signal. It will also stay in lane, and depending on the speed of the vehicle in front of you, it will even stop and go in traffic. You've got your auto hold here as well. Your 100 watts Type C connectors. There's also UVC light in here. So if you have kids and you want to sanitize their stuff, you can just put them here and turn on the UVC light and it will sanitize it. If there's no one sitting beside you and you have kids in the back and you want to move the seats, it's actually really easy. Just, you can have access and controls from here now. So now we are on a bumpy road, and I can tell you the suspension is working. It's magic. It's really smooth. Although these roads are very bad, but I don't feel anything and I can't hear it as well. So the suspension on these vehicles are really good. Plus you get the Bose surround system, so whenever we turn on the music, everything goes out. All right, guys, let's see now how the backup camera works. We have the 360 camera, the bird's eye view as well. If you click on this one, we'll have the 3D camera. This is, and I can tell you this is like really, really clear. I think it's one of the best cameras that I've used. And trust me, I've used a lot of cars. Then to park, just press on park right here. That's it. If you press on this, it will show you your cameras. You can check the front. If you change it, you can actually see the side cameras. This is a full view of the front. This is a top view of the front. Then if you go to the back camera, you have different views as well. So it's a pretty nice camera with a 360 view as well. It's just beautiful. Thank you guys for watching. If you have any questions, please drop it in the comment section below or call our dealership.